this is very important, especially when you have kids that are too young to own a cell phone. Hello guys, this is SarahG and welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do some unboxing from the OJOY A1 smartwatch for kids. So this is very important, especially when you have kids that are too young to own a cell phone. So this is very ideal if your kids are 4 years old, and like same thing with Samantha. She's in preschool, no, pre-K right now, and we do have tried it the first time. Yeah, this one is what we bought the last time, and I guess it took us like 4 months, and then it stopped working because when we bought it, we after 2 weeks it has a cracks on the screen. So I bought a screen saver from this watch, and it doesn't really help. So the Scotch tape works better than the screen saver that they, you know, like they sell. So yep, so for a while I put the Scotch tape for this watch in, and suddenly after 4 months, like we bought it August, September, October, November, and then early December, it's not working. I waited for a while to, you know, like put it on the charger, let it charge for 24 hours, and then turn it on, and it just so happened it doesn't work anymore. So I decided to buy a new one for Samantha because she's been asking like, where's my watch? So yep, I'm gonna show you what it looks like and how to set this up to your cell phones. They have the cell phone app for this watch, so you can monitor, you can call. So I'm gonna show you how that works and where to get a SIM card, because this one, it's not just a typical watch. It's like a phone. It works like a phone. So I'm gonna show you how to set this up and where did I get that SIM and how much it costs us every month to have this watch work. So let's get started. So this watch is available in 2 colors, the blue and a combination of pink and purple. So although my little girl loves the red color, that's her favorite color, and they don't have it in red, but she likes pink, so this will work. I am having a hard time opening it. Yeah, here it is. So as you can see, there is a screen that will guide you which is which, where's gonna be the SIM card, the speaker, the mic, the on-off button, the SOS button. So this is the SIM card. This is where you place the SIM card, right there. And this is the speaker, right? And I guess this is the SOS button, microphone, and the power button. Yep, that's it. So I just need to peel this off and get ready to, okay, there is the charger that comes with it. It's magnetic, so it will just snap on and then just connect it to your computer. See, it just snaps, and that's how you charge it. You connect onto the computer. So this is the quick start guide. As I mentioned earlier, this watch is available in blue and pink color. So this will tell you what to do. First one is to pair the SIM card, download the app, so register and register your watch on the app. So it's pretty much easy to follow. So I have the red packet SIM. It's from AT&T, because when you go to their website, the red packet website, you can have an option if you want the AT&T SIM or the T-Mobile, Verizon, etc. So I ordered online for $10 plus shipping. So this is prepaid, so I pay $10 a month for this. So that gives me about 500 message, text, 5-minute call, and the data. So it's not much, but it really works for this watch. So one of the downside of this watch is it took me about 24 hours to finally link the watch to the app. So you need to fill in info on the APN settings, and you can check online this settings for the red packet SIM. So I can call the watch or the number, but it will not let me use the features like instant message or monitoring. So unless it's already put in there, the settings, I can use the features. So same thing with the location. It will not show you the exact location of the watch if it was not linked successfully. As soon as it turns on, it will show you the number or a code that will link the watch to the app. So this is the first thing that you must do. So this is what it looks like. So this is like an activity, like step count, settings. You can connect Wi-Fi there too. You can adjust the brightness, volume, ringtones, everything. The battery life has been excellent. It will last for 3 days without charging. So once you already set up the contacts, the watch will never receive any spam calls and will definitely only receive calls from the contacts. So that's the relief. So we're gonna try the SOS button. We hold it for 5 seconds and the watch will call the first contacts, the first person in the contacts, and then it will send a message to the contacts. So this is what the app looks like. I blur this for safety reasons. As you can see, of the features and options to do, you can call, monitor, or navigate. So as for now, this is where Samantha is. She's in school, and I turn on the school mode to avoid distractions so she can't play the watch. So we have the chat feature here that you can send a message or a voice message, text message to your kid. And then this is my information, whoever owns the phone or the app. And you can see I'm the blue one. This is where am I, and this is Samantha. This is where I can track her whereabouts. Overall, this has been a great watch compared to others in the market, and I will definitely recommend it to other parents out there. If you find this video helpful, please like and please subscribe to my channel, ItsSarahG, and hit that bell below so you will get notified when I have new video uploads. And thank you guys for watching. See you all next time. Wash your eyes.
My watch.
It's a new one.